SR 351779. Lot 974. I don't think I've ever seen that in a catalogue description. Mega rare. Have you ever seen that in a catalogue? No, I didn't write that either. But anyway, there we are. Anyway, there we look at that bit. The person that normally leaves £40 on this time has excelled themselves. They've left 10. And then the other three bids are 1,500, 1,620, and one higher. So 1,007 starts it. 1,800 do I see? 2,006 straight in on Selden.com. Actually beats the £10 bid left. 2,006, 2,700 do I see? 2,700 anyone? 2,700, 2,800. 2,700 in the room. 2,700 in the room, 2,800. They're out. 2,700. At 2,007 in the room. At 2,700 it's hovering. 2,800. 2,900. 3,000. At 2,900. At 3,000 do I see? At 2,009. With you. Every time you say bang, I wait for another 5 seconds. At 2,009. All sure.
Whoa, hang on.
What's happened?
The screen's gone off with the pictures as well.
Has it?
Yeah.
You paid someone to cut a wire outside. At 2,009. So legally I have to wait. There's a recent case about this. At 2,009, it's in the room. I've got the bid, looks as if it's coming through, but I can't. At £2,900, I am going to sell it. I can't wait forever. It's not fair on him. At 2,009, all sure, yours. 2,009.